Well, here we are back at the cabin. As you can see, I've lifted up the house wrap, which is more of a plastic house wrap, a woven type house wrap, and you can see the bottom already staining from the moisture, just from the water damage already. You can see I snapped a line. I'm gonna have to cut that much of the OSB board off, maybe a little bit lower, because we're putting on Adirondack siding, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this and match up the other building. That's coming off over there. If you come around here, the first thing I have to do is hang this door. When they put it in, I don't know, maybe it's me, but you see how they put that Grace Vicor Plus on there? I mean, my belief is if the water gets behind the house wrap, it's going into the house. They didn't have any on the door, and the door was put in with a 1/2 inch shim on the left side because of the building is sagged in the middle a bit. And so here I just wanted to show you that if you come over here, I just took the door out, and you can see the actual moisture and the nails already rusted right there, and all of the caulk they put there to try to seal it up. So what I did was I put a 2x4 down and scribed it. I don't know if you can see this, but here you've got down to narrow. I scribed 2 pieces that will eventually go down there and level the door out as one, and then we'll see about putting it together. You can see on the door down at the bottom where the weather stripping has already torn from the bottom of the door because it was so cocked. As a matter of fact, as the door sits here now, that's pretty not too bad now, but you can see the gap up here to the gap over there. I know it's not in the door frame, so it's going to be different, but that's the way it was when it was hung. So hopefully I'm going to straighten this out, and first thing I'm doing is tearing up that piece of that shim, whatever it is, getting rid of the caulk, putting these I got 2 strips that I'm putting down there, and then I am going to flash it all with the 6-inch, I guess I'd call it butyl tape, and start fresh.